In a significant escalation of the ongoing conflict, Ukraine recently launched a daring attack on Russian bombers stationed at an airbase in Crimea. This operation marks a pivotal moment in the war, showcasing Ukraine's growing capabilities and determination to reclaim its sovereignty. The attack, which occurred under the cover of darkness, involved precision strikes that targeted key aircraft and infrastructure. Reports indicate that several bombers were destroyed on the ground, crippling Russia's ability to conduct air operations in the region. This bold move not only disrupts Russian military plans, but also sends a clear message. Ukraine is willing to take decisive action to protect its territory. In the aftermath of the attack, the response from Russia has been swift and severe. Officials have condemned the operation, vowing retaliation and ramping up their military presence in Crimea. This has led to heightened tensions in the region, with both sides bracing for potential escalations. The Kremlin's rhetoric has intensified, framing the attack as a direct threat to national security, which could lead to further military actions. Experts are weighing in on the implications of this operation. Military analysts suggest that Ukraine's ability to strike deep into occupied territory demonstrates a significant advancement in their tactical capabilities, likely bolstered by Western support. The use of advanced drones and precision-guided munitions has leveled the playing field, allowing Ukraine to challenge a traditionally superior Russian air force. However, this operation also raises concerns about the potential for escalation. Some analysts warn that Russia may respond with increased aggression, possibly targeting Ukrainian infrastructure or launching retaliatory strikes. The risk of a broader conflict looms large as both nations navigate this precarious situation. Public sentiment in Ukraine appears to be largely supportive of the attack, with many viewing it as a necessary step in the fight for independence. Citizens are rallying around their military, proud of their resilience and capability to strike back against an aggressor. This operation has not only boosted morale, but also galvanized international support as allies recognize Ukraine's commitment to defending its sovereignty. As we look ahead, the impact of this attack will likely reverberate through the geopolitical landscape. It raises critical questions about the future of the conflict and the role of international players. Will Western nations increase their support for Ukraine in light of this bold move? How will Russia recalibrate its strategy in response to this setback? The situation remains fluid, and the world is watching closely. The outcome of this operation could very well shape the trajectory of the war and influence diplomatic efforts moving forward. As the dust settles, one thing is clear. The fight for Ukraine's future is far from over, and the stakes have never been higher.